Have you ever wondered what truly goes behind that great bridal look or a camera-friendly skin? As a dermatologist, I believe in great skin. Makeup should not be used to camouflage.
People thought I could not do anything in life. They were like, oh, she's just one of those girls who's, enjoying on daddy's money and this and that. It gave me a more push to work harder and prove myself. Now, those are the people who've turned around and, they're coming to me asking me for help in their businesses.
Have you ever wondered what truly goes behind that great bridal look or a camera-friendly skin? I think it's great makeup. As a dermatologist, I believe in great skin. Your canvas should be good. I'm not against makeup. Makeup should not be used to camouflage. It should be used to enhance the basic beauty that you have. So on the show we have Shagun, my great friend whom I admire professionally and I love her personally. I've seen her work without filters. How a bride's look is another level. With her Instagram ID, Makeup by Shagun, you can check on her, and I think I'm looking forward to this conversation with her and knowing so much more about skin and makeup.
Hi, Dr. Meghna. I completely agree with you. My job is to enhance the face, not to transform it. And just your beauty with a better PR is what I would call it.
Wow, I like that, Shagun. Taking the conversation further, I would like to ask, how did you get into this line? How come this thought of becoming a makeup artist occurred to you?
Oh my God, it's so funny. So I started working when I was 30 years old. I was not doing anything substantial in life. All my friends had gotten married, a lot of them, and I wanted to do this right out of college, but back at that time, it wasn't really very respected. So, even my parents were of that school of thought, what will you do by learning makeup? Cut to about 10 years later, and I was like, okay, let me still do a makeup course. And they are like, okay, fine, like you've been wanting to do it, just go and do it. And I did, and it changed my life. And
Wow.
there's been no stopping since then.
I know that about you. So coming there, that you wished for something and you achieved it.
Yeah.
So what kind of hurdles did you come across? What kind of people did you meet who would make you feel low? Or how did you overcome those negativity which is surrounded by, you're surrounded by a lot of people who keep putting you down
Yes.
about your choices in life?
So it's funny, I've had the best run with my clients. But yes, were you, first of all, it's so funny, I've never said this, people thought I could not do anything in life.
Oh my God, really, Shagun?
Yeah, they were like, oh, she's just one of those girls who's, enjoying on daddy's money and this and that. So when I started working, I was mocked upon by, and looked down upon in the sense ki kya kar legi. So I was like, I don't feel bad. Actually, it's very good because it gave me a more push to work harder and prove myself that I am capable of working. And now those are the people who've turned around and, they're coming to me asking me for help in their businesses or whatever in any manner. And then they look at you with a different light. So it took me some time, and I think everybody has certain people. Now it depends upon how you take it. Either they can pull you down, or you can just take it with a pinch of salt and be like, tables will turn. So
I love this about you, Shagun, that something which was not in your favor, you turn around the tables and you ensured that you to prove to people that you arrived.
But I'm sure that's with you also. Now people just talk. So many times people just want to see you like, not doing so well. Even today, it's not like when I started, I'm sure when you also started, people will be like, kya hi kar legi? Now look at you. You've got like two clinics, and you're globally roaming around and giving conferences. So, I think everybody has that, and I'm guessing you also took it like as a big motivation to prove people wrong.
I agree
And that
with
you
you
were capable of coming here.
Yes, Shagun. Okay, people have a lot of questions, queries about makeup. When I in my consults, I come across two sets of people. One of them thinks skin is bad, I have makeup, I'll take care of it. There are some who are very anti-makeup. So I'm one of those who's not anti-makeup. I
Yeah.
feel your skin should be good. use makeup, as I rightly said, to enhance. So how do you deal with such people who come with bad skin when they want to, suddenly they see on the social media before, after, and they get carried away? I think it's very difficult to turn around someone 360 degree. How do you handle that bit and how do you counsel them?
I always speak to people during consultations. Whenever, you know, a bride comes to me, I will always tell them that please take care of your skin. I always say the better the skin, the better the makeup. So please take care of your skin. There are so many transformations and people will come with so many examples from social media. Everything is edited. You know it, I know it. Everything is edited on social media and it is so deceptive. So, you know, if you have acne, I can't really layer up that much foundation on you for the acne to hide. So, and it doesn't look good on Instagram if, you know, your client's acne are showing or anything for that matter. So everything is so edited nowadays that and some people just take it to the next level. So it's very deceptive and people get really like carried away with that deception. It's really sad. But if you want to look good, if your skin is good, your skin is healthy, your makeup will be flawless. Don't you remember? I came to you after one of my brides who was your client as well, and I said, "Oh my God, what have you done on her? Her skin is like butter." And my makeup looked like stunning and she was glowing and I had to use such little effort, you know. And you remember I came to you right after that. The next day I was in your clinic, doc, मुझे
बताओ क्या किया है? शगुन, बहुत सारी ब्राइड्स बड़ी एस्पिरेशनल हो गई हैं अभी. मेरे टाइम पे जब शादी होती थी, मेरी शादी को 22 इयर्स हो गए, बहुत सिंपल थी लाइफ. कोई ऐसे प्री ब्राइडल शूट, सिंपल सी एक पार्लर बुक कर लेते थे, मेकअप हो जाता था. टिपिकल वो लाल सफ़ेद बिंदी नहीं होती थी, वैसा मेकअप टिपिकल होता था और एक मुकुट टाइप पहना देते थे. नाउ things have changed. There are trends. There are what people want to do. They are very aspirational. So what would be your tips for young brides out there?
So first of all, don't look at Instagram. Don't come to me with a Kim Kardashian's photo and tell me that you want this kind of makeup. Because when you look at celebrities and models and, you know, magazine covers, तो खैर क्या ही mostly Instagram ही होता है. Everything is so edited. Like I've had this mother of the bride, nice, like a little aged, very elegant mom, but she brings a model's photo to me and with black smoky eye. Now, how do I, and they think it's minimal. It's minimal because it's how it's shot. But you look at how young that skin is, what the features are. Sometimes a black smoky eye can look great on some people and sometimes some people can't carry it off. So those are very aspirational clients and photos, and I feel like you should have a good consult with your makeup artist for them to actually be able to tell you what will suit you, or trust someone who you can go with blindly and they will, you know, they're well experienced so that they'll do the best job on you regardless.
I agree with you on this because I'm not talking about social media pictures, prints on Instagram or whatever. जब हम शादी में जाते हैं, when I see those young girls on the stage, sorry God, but some of them look very cakey. Like this cake has been put. उनका जो खुद का natural beauty है ना, वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी ने ना suck कर लिया है. They're looking bad. Sorry to use this word. ये cakey makeup, I think they're trying to follow someone, इसलिए ऐसा होता है.
कई लोगों को पसंद है. जैसे सबकी अलग अलग, आप जैसे आपकी क्लिनिक में ले लो, कोई आएगा कहेगा कि मेरे को बिल्कुल डक लिप्स चाहिए.
Absolutely.
कोई कहेगा मेरे को enhancement इतनी सी चाहिए. Now, as much as I know you, you will be like, I will enhance you, but you should look natural. But maybe to another dermatologist, they'll freeze the face. But somebody who loves getting their face frozen, no lines, no nothing, they will be like, यार डॉक्टर मेघना ज़्यादा नहीं करती,
मजा नहीं है.
और जो फ्रीज जो आपको पसंद करते हैं वो उनके पास जाएगा, यार उसने तो मुझे प्लास्टिक बना दिया. Same with like everybody has their own clientele.
True.
So when I go, like so many times I go with minimal makeup and my clients are like, this is exactly मेरे को यही चाहिए, आपने जो किया हुआ है. अब वो मैं क्या बताऊँ उनको कि मैंने इतना जबरदस्ती मेकअप गाड़ी में लगा के आई हुई हूँ. So but then that's the kind of clientele you attract. Right. So जो थोपा हुआ मेकअप करके जाते हैं उनको वो पसंद है. So that's how they like it. At the end of the day, I think it's their main day. So as far as the bride is happy, and
we
they
are
choose the artist of their liking, that's all that matters.
Nice. Okay, on this note, like let's say a bride comes to you. So do you ask them, get your trousseau, show me what colors you're wearing? Do you get into that kind of details कि लहंगे का color क्या है, साड़ी का color क्या है, jewelry कैसी है?
So I always do consults over the phone now. Much earlier, when we had a lot of time, we would meet in person also to get to know their likes and dislikes. But now maybe it's also so much experience that you get to know by the way the person is talking only.
Oh,
and also
wow.
people trust you so much now because I've been working for 11 years. So people trust you enough that if I'm hiring her, she knows her job. So, but regardless, I always say that, send me your outfit photos. So then we just have an idea as to what we are working with, especially when we are doing multiple events. My whole idea is to give you different looks on each event. So I love that. That's such a challenge, right? So I'm doing 4 events for you. My goal is that you should look like you, but different in every event.
Wow, I love that. Look like you, but different in every event. Awesome, Shagun. Love this line. I'm going to use this.
Please do.
Shagun, I see it in my practice, this obsession with fairness. हमारी इंडिया, हमारी कंट्री ना बहुत ज़्यादा गोरेपन से obsessed है. हम कितना भी समझाते हैं as doctors कि it's about having great skin. It's not about having complexion. You should have radiant glow. Your skin should speak about your inner health. It's not about गोरा काला. But unfortunately, अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा fairness obsessed है. गोरा गोरा गोरा.
Yeah.
How do you deal with that? क्योंकि brides भी या brides की mothers जो makeup कराते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग बस हमें गोरा कर दो. They may not be fair basically. How do you deal with that?
I honestly, it's very difficult, because the thing is, I haven't been taught, you could say, to ever work in a manner that somebody looks 10 shades lighter. And that for me is such a challenge. If I do ever get a client like that, usually now I think people do know Shagun is not the right person to contact for that. They will go to an artist whose forte is that. So I don't get many clients, but yes, a shade or two for sure. But if you say from like a wheatish complexion like me and make somebody look like super fair like a foreigner, that's not my forte. In fact, I have turned people down just for this reason. I feel like I will not be able to, serve what you want. So I can't deliver it. Then that doesn't mean, it doesn't make sense.
Shagun, I think I'm very proud of you that you know how to turn down. It's very difficult when you're in a business, when you're running your show yourself. And I think the right person who's actually ethical, I also face that, the one who learns how to say no.
Yeah.
So I'm super proud of you, Shagun.
I think I've learned that from you. आप इसे
Oh my God.
आपने बोला शगुन ये नहीं कराना, शगुन देखो जरूरत नहीं है, शगुन अभी नहीं कराना. उसी से मैंने सीखा है कि जब तुम डिलीवर किसी को नहीं कर सकते या किसी it's not in your hand, then मना कर दो. Better.
मैं तो इसलिए मना करती हूँ because to me you're actually looking good. If I cross that line in aesthetic dermatology, if you cross that line, then instead of making good faces, you will end up making overfilled faces, bad faces, which are not.
But वो मेरी problem है ना, because I think the number 8 in me or the Virgo in me, overthinking, exceptionally self-critical part. You know how self-critical I am. That just comes out whenever I see you. So whenever I see you, I feel like कुछ तो कर दो मेरे को और better.
Now I think a very good thing which you gave me to ask is overthinking.
Oh my God.
Most of the friends, women, I would say specifically, nothing against men, but women, they really get into this habit of overthinking. वो ना एक वेब सीरीज की तरह होता है. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. एक बार आप सोचना शुरू करते हो ना, वो आगे 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 आपको पता नहीं where all it will take you.
It takes you to self-doubt and self-sabotage. It only takes you to, I'm telling you, I'm so gifted by God being a number 8 and a Virgo again, that वो कहते हैं overthinking, not only you'll do it at a Virgo level, but you'll also do it at a number 8 level. So it doubles up and I go in self-doubt. You know it. I come to you so many times and then, you're always also helping me, or it's okay. Off-season time, I think it happens to everybody. I speak to so many people in different areas of life, even in my own field, my contemporaries. Everybody faces that, but it's either you can go into a spiral or you have people who can just get you out of that. And I feel it's very important to have people who can get you out of that. या अपना दिमाग कहीं और लगाइए, किसी ना किसी चीज़ पे busy करिए अपने आप को, so that you don't fall into that spiral.
So I think the take-home message from your conversation here is that indulge in something else, talk to your friends, perhaps go to a therapist, seek help. Never shun from asking for help.
No.
मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने एक बार ये लाइंस मुझसे कही थी कि खुदा से भी तब मिलता है जब आप मांगते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो मांगने से ना कतराएं. Do ask for it.
Yeah.
Help will come in certain manner. So if you're in self-doubt,
Yeah.
don't self-sabotage yourself.
Yeah.
Take help from
Yeah.
whosoever, wherever you can get
yeah.
help.
Go get yourself busy.
Busy.
दिमाग मत चलाओ ना, ओवर थिंकिंग है, थिंकिंग का मौका ही मत दो. तुम अपने आप को किसी भी चीज में बिजी कर लो.
Don't make it a devil's workshop. वो है ना?
Empty mind is the devil's den. So that is what it is, and it's truly so. But also, like when you said asking for help, I always say, like, you know, oh my God, please always ask for help. The worst you can get is a no. But वो तो
Absolutely.
वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा था ना, बिना पूछे भी.
मदद तो मांगो, help.
मांगो किसी भी field में. I have like asked so many people in these 11 years about makeup. Some people have belittled me already. Makeup artist है, फिर भी ये पूछ रही है. भाई मुझे जानना है. तुम बहुत अच्छे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट होगे, तुम्हें कभी जिंदगी में आई होप क्वेश्चंस पूछने की जरूरत ना पड़े, पर मुझे जानना है.
नहीं शगुन, आप कितने भी अच्छे हो, नो मैटर हाउ परफेक्ट यू आर, लर्निंग कम्स फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर.
But that's everybody's own perception, yeah.
I know, but I firmly believe learning comes from everywhere.
Yeah, likewise.
जितना थिंकिंग माइंड है, जितना आगे सोचोगे, उतना इम्प्रोवाइज करोगे अपने आर्ट में.
Absolutely.
You can never perfect it. Improvisation is required.
And I mean, you can't be perfect, but सबकी अपनी अपनी सोच है.
True.
So which is why I say always ask for help in any field. Whenever you're in doubt, ask. You're anyways not getting help without asking. तो एक बार पूछ के देख लो, क्या पता you never know.
एक बार पूछ के देख लो.
एक
मुझे
बार
मजा आ
पूछ के
गया ये
देख लो.
लाइन सुनने में. शगुन, 2-3 times you said number 8, Virgo. Do you believe in numerology?
Oh my God! If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I believe in it. The power of 11/11, everything. I am such a manifest. I think my whole life, my career, my work schedule is so highly manifested. I am such a firm believer of astrology, of tarot card reading. My career started because of tarot card reading, because
Wow.
I didn't believe in myself and somebody told me you should change your life.
Wow.
So I am a firm believer. So मैं तो बड़ा मजा आता है, पर मेरे को वैसे भी.
So if you were to choose between any of these, numerology, tarot or astrology, I mean, don't give me that answer, political correct, all three. Choose one.
अरे मैं कैसे चूज एक करूँ? मैं
करो.
सबके लिए अलग अलग लोग हैं.
नहीं, फिर भी like go to, like आज मुझे ये करना है. Which one?
I feel like मैं टैरो क्योंकि शॉर्ट लिव्ड होता है और तुम इतने इम्पेशेंट हो गए हो, अब आजकल सब लोग इतने इम्पेशेंट. सो टैरो विल गिव यू इंस्टेंट आंसर्स फॉर इंस्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. एस्ट्रोलॉजी विल गिव यू अ ओवरव्यू. बट आज अगर आपको कहना है कि कल मेरे को बॉम्बे जाना है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, या मुझे कैलकाटा जाना है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, मेरे लिए कौन सी बेटर होएगी? एस्ट्रोलॉजी नहीं बता पाएगी आपको, टैरो बता सकते हैं.
वाह, आई थिंक ये डिफरेंस बहुत अच्छा पता चला कि टैरो आपको शॉर्ट टर्म बता सकता है और एस्ट्रोलॉजी एक लॉन्गर बिगर फ्रेम है.
It's a full picture of life, and numbers always help as well. So yeah,
मतलब किस दिन बॉर्न होते हैं शगुन, वो तो हमारे हाथ में नहीं. आई एम आल्सो
हाथ में
नंबर
नहीं
8.
होता, पर किस्मत तो उसी से बनती है ना. नंबर 8 की किस्मत 35 years के बाद शुरू होती है.
मैं भी नंबर 8 हूँ शगुन.
Like 30 for sure, I can say I started working when I was 30. So 35 के बाद I became much like better, and it's.
So you would say life started for you at the age of 35 because you were number 8.
Delays happen, a lot of delays in number. You know, I want something so bad and it's right in front of me, but God will be like, no, I will not give it to you right now. You will take this path, then you will get it right until the end. But somebody else will be saying, they're like, yeah, okay, I got it. So, you know, I'm just like, why? Why do I have to do all that mehnat and then get it? मेरे को भी नहीं करनी मेहनत.
So I think what I gather from you is that if you believe in all this and you go and go to a right professional to understand this, it doesn't change the situation in your life, but it builds your coping mechanism. You're able to handle things better. Would you like to throw some light on that?
Also, I feel more as a single woman, I don't have anybody else who can guide me. So as a single woman, it just gives me asserts me कि भाई ये decision तू ले सकती है. So अगर if I was married, maybe I would discuss it with my husband or someone who would understand my profession better. But because I don't have that, this is what sort of guides me to taking decisions which maybe I wouldn't otherwise, you know.
शगुन, कॉन्वर्सेशन से हम कहाँ से कहाँ
कहाँ
पहुँच
पहुँच
गए.
गए?
नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंगल पीपल. आई फाइंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज बहुत सारी जगहों पे मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ, वो सिंगल मैन या सिंगल वीमेन को रेडी, तुम्हें वो घर जल्दी जाना है, तुम्हारे क्या बच्चे रो रहे हैं, तुम्हारी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आई डोंट लाइक इट दो आई एम मैरिड, आई हैव 2 kids.
Yeah.
But I feel even single people have their life. They have their lives beyond professional realm.
Yeah.
They also would like to have fun. They would also have someone whom they can look upon.
Yeah.
So for single people out there, what is your advice that you would tell them to keep them going?
You know, I am the very boring like that. I love working. मेरे को करा लो काम 12 बजे तक, मैं करती रहूँगी. I love what I do, whether it's brows, whether it's makeup. I'm like, and I am only like, हाँ कराओ. I am free. I will come and do it. You know, so I'm probably the wrong person. I have my friend circle. Also, a lot of them are married with kids. So the other singles, yes, we meet. But I am like a workaholic. I love working. There have been days I've worked from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Wow.
Non-stop from one place to the other, to the other, to the other. But yeah, so you're just asking the wrong person the wrong question.
Shagun, we talked about you being single and how single people are sidelined, but then you said you're a workaholic. So I would like to ask another little personal question that 40 plus, a woman who's achieved so much, who's so beautiful. I always say, I always tell your mother that what a beautiful offspring you've created, right? So do men get intimidated by such women who are so pretty, who are accomplished, who are financially independent? And
so it's so funny that you asked me that. It's actually true. A lot of men in and around my age get very intimidated by women who've got a head over their shoulders, who are independent. So you know, this, in fact, a guy only told me, I'm a bit scared. I was like, why? He's like, I'm a tad bit intimidated. But you know what happens is because, especially the comparison between men in and around my age and versus the men who are, say, a generation younger, which is 10, 12, 15 years younger, they have such a different mindset. The guys around my age are still from the old school of thought. You know, they are still growing up with that thought process if they are not exposed to younger people. So, or it's so confusing if I keep talking like this. It's going to be like, you know, even guys who've made something of themselves from a scratch, those are the guys who are not intimidated.
oh yeah,
Because, you know, they've made something of themselves. So they will actually respect you more. The men who are born in a little bit of wealth, I feel they are more likely to be intimidated by women. कि भाई, you know, अच्छा ये तो बहुत इसके पास opinions हैं. ये बट अब अगर मैं 40 इयर्स की हूँ, चाहे मैं 35 की भी हूँ, ओपिनियंस तो होंगे ही ना, और काम कर रही हूँ तो इट्स बट नेचुरल ओपिनियंस होना, आइडियाज देना. सो
जब आप काम करते हो ना, you meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
I feel the number of people that you meet over a period of time, हमारे horizons widen होते हैं.
Yeah.
We become very inclusive.
Yes.
We understand how different people are.
Yeah.
And how different you know, makeup people have.
एंड और आपने भी देखा होगा जो यंगर लॉट आते हैं ना, स्पेशली बॉयज, व्हेन आई डील विद गर्ल्स गेटिंग मैरिड और देयर ब्रदर्स और देयर स्पाउसेस, they're very respectful and the way they talk is very different than a man who is much older. They'll be like, अच्छा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है, कितना कमाती होगी. जब सुनते कितना कमाती है तो फिर चुप हो जाते हैं.
यहीं से क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ शगुन, जनरली मेकअप आर्टिस्ट इंडिया में
नहीं
किस रेंज में कमाते हैं?
बहुत रेंजेस में कमाते हैं.
लाइक एक एग्जांपल दो.
इंडिया में बहुत रेंजेस के मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है. यू विल फाइंड कोई 5,000 का भी काम करता होगा अगर सैलून में जाओगे, हेयर एंड मेकअप बोथ. कोई 2.5 लाख भी चार्ज कर रहा है. सो बहुत रेंजेस है. एंड कभी कभी तो इतना फनी होता है कि तुम किसी को बता रहे हो, बंदा ऑफेंड हो रहा है कि भाई कि आप इतना चार्ज कर रहे हो. एंड अगर don't you find it like asking for money and your worth and your expertise and the experience you're giving to the client while doing your makeup, women और men also sometimes offend हो जाते हैं. अच्छा, मतलब क्या हो गया यार, अगर आपको नहीं देना या नहीं दे
मत
सकते
sign up करिए.
तो मत बोलिए. लोगों को मनी की टॉक्स कहते पहले तो हाँ सब कुछ ठीक है, जब एक्चुअल मनी टॉक्स होते हैं they start getting offended. I'm sure you've also faced that a lot.
Most of us too, professionals.
Yeah.
When it comes to money, everything is go. But when it comes to money, they don't understand the value that
Yeah.
you bring on the table.
Yes.
That's what you're asking for.
Yes, and some people are so nice. They'll be like, "Yeah, everything is great, Shagun. Okay, I know what your experience is, what your expertise is, and how you're gonna work. So it's all right. Take it. We know we're in good hands."
देखो शगुन ये कमोडिटी सेल नहीं कर रहे हैं. That's what I tell people. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक पर्स खरीदने जा रहे हैं या शूज खरीदने जा रहे हैं. This is a service. Shagun, before you came here, when I told people that I'm doing a podcast with Shagun and she's a great makeup artist, so I have few questions which have been sent to me by my team and some people I know. You can answer to the best of your capacity.
Okay.
I would say first makeup product you ever used.
Probably some eyeshadows, blue eyeshadow, blue mascara.
Wow,
I was probably
blue.
in school or in college, and all my friends used to come over. We used to do the same eye looks and go.
Nice, blue. Okay, what's the strangest makeup request you've ever received?
Underarms
Hey,
को same skin tone कर दो.
wow. Celebrity whose makeup you'd love to do, alive or dead?
Oh my God, my dream is to work on Priyanka Chopra. That is my, and Kareena Kapoor.
Let's manifest that.
Yes, Priyanka Chopra, please see this and book me for makeup.
What's the one product every woman should have in her makeup bag?
Concealer.
I agree with you, yaar, a concealer.
Concealer conceals, not a job of a foundation. Guys, please.
Best makeup tip for a beginner?
Makeup tip, keep it light, keep it less.
What makeup style, minimal or maximal?
Always minimal. I don't even know what maximal is. Like my maximal is this.
Oh, really?
Thanks.
Your favorite makeup brand?
There are far too many. So I always use a mixed bag of brands. But if you ask me, always go with a brand that a makeup artist has started because they know best, I feel.
Wow.
So Pat McGrath is somebody I would say yes.
Yes. What's your secret to a flawless base?
Flawless skin.
Oh, there where my work comes.
Yes.
Makeup trends you're loving right now?
Minimal, lots of blush, not like very proper, but you know, just a hint of color on your lips. Oh my God, I love it. मैंने नहीं किया हुआ, but I love it.
Nice. What's the hardest thing about doing makeup for a wedding?
As an artist, there's nothing hard. It's actually very easy. I love it.
I like this.
And like, you know, set kar do sab kuch. Set your makeup very well. There's nothing hard about it.
One makeup mistake you see everyone making.
बड़ी गंदी brows बनाते हैं लोग.
है ना?
Oh my God. Guys, please work on your goddamn brows and your lip shape.
I think यहीं से the idea came for brows by Shagun. You know?
नहीं,
Yeah, really?
मेरे को अपनी brows बनाने का बड़ा शौक था.
कहाँ से आए brows?
So ये मैंने कोविड से पहले किसी ने बड़ी फनी बात है, somebody had asked my dad's friend's daughter wanted to speak to me कि एक brows का course हो रहा है, मैं करूँ. बॉम्बे में हो रहा था. I said यार बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, तुम करो ना करो, मैं कर रही हूँ. So I did it in 2019. Obviously it was so much more serious than doing makeup because you can't get it off. Yeah, so then फिर मैंने 4 साल लगे, कोविड आ गया, फिर 4 साल लगे प्रैक्टिस करने में. 2023 thanks to you I started doing brows because आपने तो मेरे को उंगली दी थी, मैंने आपका हाथ पकड़ लिया.
So मैंने उंगली नहीं पूरा हाथ दिया.
So yeah, thanks to you I started doing brows and Brows by Shagun was made. But also I realized it, we needed it more because COVID में मैं अपने मेरे hair were always done, my brows were always done. Without brows, I feel your face looks like it's bald now.
Wow, bald face
without brows.
Thank you, Shagun. I think it's time for some more fun. थोड़ी मस्ती जरूरी है, थोड़ी क्या और भी ज़्यादा मस्ती. Life is all about मस्ती. Life को seriously लेना चाहिए. You shouldn't be scared. डरो, but इतना नहीं डरो. That is why I love this rapid fire round. I'm going to ask you questions. If you can answer, great. Otherwise, say pass. Are you ready?
Now I am ready.
Yes, let's start.
Let's go.
Foundation or BB cream?
Foundation.
Matte or dewy finish?
It's matte.
Matte. Matte? Matte what?
Matte.
Matte.
I like matte. Everybody likes dewy.
Bold brows or natural?
Well done.
Makeup sponge or brush?
Sponge.
Favorite lip color?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I have so many in my head, but I'm so bad with names. So it's okay, I'll say one, which is Kiss by Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Wow. Okay. Red lips or nude lips?
Always nude lips.
Favorite skincare brand?
Dr. Meghna.
Mascara or falsies?
Falsies.
Makeup remover oil or micellar water?
Wipes.
Winged eyeliner, yes or no?
Always.
Fake tan or no tan?
No tan.
Bronzer or blush?
Blush.
Long nails or short nails?
Not very long, not very short.
One makeup product you can't live without?
Concealer.
Yeah, Shagun. You know what all aesthetic procedures we do.
Yeah.
If I were to ask you, which is your favorite treatment?
Profilo without a doubt.
Wow.
You know it. You should know it. Like I have gotten it done so many times. I love it. It just does everything that it needs to be done.
Nice.
To my
Thank
skin.
you.
Yeah.
Shagun, that was such an insightful conversation where usually people think dermatology, which is skincare, against makeup. I think they're best friends. They go hand in hand. And thank you for doing this with me because here we are able to give a message that, you know, if you have a good skin and you wear makeup, you look the best.